So we are staying in this one bedroom. This is the bed. Here's the view. It overlooks the east. That way is the opera house. There are rooms with the opera house views, but that costs more. So this room costs 660 Australian dollars per night. It also includes the lounge access on the top level, which includes like a afternoon tea and evening drinks and canapes, as well as a breakfast buffet for the next morning. So that's a pretty good deal. Here's the TV, some seating. Here is the drinks station. Here is the mini fridge, the coffee machine, kettle, some storage with safe, ironing board, and in here is the lovely bathroom, very stylish. It even has Byredo products. Love that. And around here is a shower with more Byredo products. I love the marble tiles and the marble bench here. Doesn't have a bathtub, it's a bit small, but it's still lovely. And yes, that is the room.